Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.